Hi guys, welcome to Unboxing Droids. Today I got the Vivo S5. Today quick hands-on and overview. Vivo launched a new smartphone in China this week. Vivo S5 is a mid-range smartphone and it is currently available. Vivo S5 features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. Under the hood of the phone runs Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 processor paired with 8GB of RAM. Storage options for the Vivo S5 include 128GB and 256GB. It also has a microSD card slot for further storage expansion. For photography, Vivo S5 has a quad camera setup featuring a 48MP primary sensor, 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, 5MP depth sensor and 2MP macro lens. There's a 32-megapixel camera up front for selfies. Vivo S5 is fueled by a 4,010 mAh battery with 22.5W fast charging support. The smartphone is claimed to last a full day on a single charge. On the software front, Vivo S5 runs on FunTouch OS 9.2 based on Android Pie. In China at a starting price of CNY 2,698, was 27,000 approx. The smartphone comes in three color options of Icelandic Blue, Phantom Blue, and Star Black. Vivo S5 is also available in another storage variant which carries a price tag of CNY 2,998, for 30,000 approx. There is no word Vivo would launch the smartphone in India. In terms of design, Vivo S5 continues with the punch-hole display as seen in other Vivo smartphones. The smartphone also has a screen-to-body ratio of 91.38%.